Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I wanna show you one of my traffic sources which I recently discovered. So while everyone else is focusing getting traffic from Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, so I have tapped in LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is professional network of people where your profile is kind of like CV. So people writing down their skills, you know, so you can create your simple profile, start posting like on any other social media. You can start posting text messages, images, videos. Also, you can write an articles. For everyone who thinks LinkedIn is boring and no one checks information in there, I can assure you it's a highly visited website. I mean, according to SimilarWeb, the country rank in United States is rank 21, and it's got nearly 1 billion users a month. That's a lot, I think. One thing to mention, guys, if you start posting anything on LinkedIn, so make sure you're posting that on working hours. It means from people mostly work from Monday to Friday. But I recommend personally to post from Tuesday till Thursday. And these 3 days are the best in my experience posting on LinkedIn. On Monday, people kinda, in stress after weekend, and Friday is kinda there before relax, before weekend. So I highly suggest Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as the best days to post anything on LinkedIn or advertise on LinkedIn. Also, you can join some relative groups to your niche, just like on Facebook. So I'm gonna show you here. Just click on groups and let's say I'm gonna check for photographer groups, let's say. And there are so many people connected in circles, so you can join these groups, post your questions, get answers, or vice versa. You can even post your latest blog post in there and advertise in such way, or create your offers and give it a go. Maybe someone gonna subscribe to your list. Maybe you're gonna invite them to webinars and so on. And the recent function I've tried on LinkedIn is LinkedIn advertising. And it works really well. So if you go to advertise, here is my campaigns, and this is created just for test. I have created some ad text and a couple of different images, and as you can see, I got impression count, clicks, and average click-through rate, average cost per million impressions, average cost per click. I've decided to set it up manually. It's £1.50, and you can get clicks for £1.50 all day long, guys, as much as your budget lets you. So if that's not too costly for you, £1.50 and you can get clicks all day long. Make sure you have a good landing page. At the moment my landing page converts at like 40%, so nearly every second person who clicks on that link converts and lays down on my email list. By the way, I got couple sales already from my spent £87, so that's really not bad. The other leads I've got on my list, I do rely on my autoresponder sequence. So if you want to tap into new traffic source, try something new, I suggest you try LinkedIn. LinkedIn is professional network and there are, loads of people not kids who are working, who's got money. Just give them valuable information, invite them somewhere to webinar or offer them service, and I guarantee you're gonna get sales. I hope you guys like this video, so give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers!